Hi guys, it's XX Gaming, and today in this video, you saw the fantasy story. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! Stop on me, Jax. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. That was tiring, guys. Jackin, how old are you? I'm 4.
3. No, you're 3.
Jackson is 3 and I'm 8, guys. And I'm in 8. Yeah, you said that. He doesn't go to school at 9 and I'm 2nd grade. So that's the end of the wait, not the end of the video. Okay. What should we do? What should we do?
I don't know.
Let's do the game. But you know what game? Kitchen! Let's go.
Tango in the room.
No, we're gonna do the kitchen again. I'll be the customer. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna come. Let me bring my car.
10 minutes later.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, what is in this store, guys?
Would you like yogurt, coffee, yogurt?
And coffee, please.
Okay.
Coffee and yogurt for me.
Here you go, sir. That will be $10. Here. Thank you.
Can you give me another one? Okay.
There's no different kind.
No, just give me another
do French fries?
Oh, okay.
Coffee too.
And do French fries. I want two French fries.
I dropped it.
I want two French fries.
No French fries, please. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
That was good. So here, where's the garbage?
Oh, it's right there next to you, sir.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Come back tomorrow.
Okay.
Later now.
1 day later.
I'm back, guys. I told you. Okay. What is this?
Just a security camera.
How much is that?
Oh, sorry, sir. That's not on sale.
No, from another store.
Oh, okay. In other stores, it costs $1,000.
Okay, I'm going here.
Okay, bye.
I switch over.
Okay.
Later now.
1 day later.
Can get
Can I buy this, please?
down now.
Give us $1,000, sir. Thank you.
It's later now. Can get now, Austin.
10 minutes later. Hi.
I have the new camera.
Okay, that's all for today. Hey, Drake, where you going? Say bye.
Bye.